Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today's spotlight is on Whey-P, your muscle-building, health-boosting superhero. Let's dive into its top 5 benefits. 1. Muscle growth. Whey-P is packed with essential amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. It fuels your workouts and helps you recover faster. 2. Immune support. Whey-P contains immunoglobulins and lactoferrin, powerful components that bolster your immune system and keep you fighting fit. 3. Antioxidant power. Glutathione, an antioxidant found in Whey-P, helps fight free radicals and protects your cells from damage. 4. Bone health. Whey-P is a good source of calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth. 5. Satiety. Feeling hungry? Whey-P can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a great addition to your weight management plan. So, whether you're hitting the gym or just want to feel your best, Whey-P is a fantastic addition to your routine. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips.